Hi, let's build now a to-do list app using ChatGPT. First go to the ChatGPT website from OpenAI. Then just type, make code for a to-do list website, with HTML and CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating our HTML code, for our index.html file. Now, ChatGPT is creating our CSS code for our style.css file. And now, ChatGPT creates the JavaScript code of our script.js file. Let's copy this HTML code in index.html file. Now let's copy this CSS code and paste in style.css file. After, let's copy this JavaScript code and paste it in script.js, and save it. And let's open it in our browser, to see how it looks. And we can see our final result. That's interesting. This is how our to-do list app looks. You can write tasks here, and they will be saved. If you click on them, their color will change and they will be crossed. That proves that they are deleted. You can use it each time by refreshing the page. Thanks for ChatGPT.